Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to change the temperature on your Ford Fiesta. So as you can see, it's quite warm outside. It's sunny, it's the middle of the summer. Today is the last day of July. Now as you can see, I'm sitting inside the car. One way is to obviously just pull down your windows and but the temperature outside is 28 degrees, so it might not be comfortable for you. So just put the windows up. Turn on the auto temperature regulator. It's 16 degrees now. And for better measure, if you don't like the noise that the fan makes, you can just turn off the auto fan, but I prefer it on because then it automatically tries to maintain a certain temperature. And obviously you have to keep your AC on as well. And you can, by using this, you can change the target temperature. And that's how you change it. You can also use different. So in winter, when I try to maintain a comfortable, warmer temperature inside, so I use this to it throws air at the windscreen as well as myself. And but the problem is that in summer it sort of makes a little bit of fog, like a butterfly shaped fog, so I usually keep it off in the summer. And if you want the temperature to go down quickly, you can turn this on, which recycles the air inside the car and doesn't get air from outside, so it quickly changes the temperature of the car. But you don't keep it on for long because obviously you want some fresh air inside your car as well. So I'll just turn that off. And this is a warmer for the rear screen when there is a lot of fog, and this is warmer for the front windscreen. So when there is a lot of fog, there's a lot of condensation on the screens, and you can turn these on and they electrically warm the screens and make the fog disappear from your screen, obviously, not from outside. No. And this only gives air, it directs all the air towards your legs, which I find on late night drives it can keep my legs a bit cold, which helps me drive. So I'll just turn that off as well. When you have turned everything off, then the air sort of evenly distributes throughout the car, and it doesn't focus on one single outlet. Now you can also use these if you don't like, if your partner wants to feel the cold air but you don't, you can just turn it off, and when I turn it back on I can feel the air. Same goes here. You can just turn that on off. I can do that when I want to direct it, like say this way, or I can turn it around like that and direct it that way, or I can just leave it like that and let it blow in my face. Okay, same goes that way. The outlets over there are the same. What you're seeing, this is just a holder for my car, so I can just remove that easily. And let's say if I want to remove this holder, so the vibration goes like this. You can turn it off, turn it on. Sorry, you can direct it down, you can direct it up. If you want to turn it off on, you use this. Okay, and that's pretty much it about it. I'm not going to show you the insides of the AC obviously, but that's how you operate it from inside the car.